So you're applying for a graphic design job and you're wondering what you need in your resume and how to lay it out. In this video, I'll walk you through the process on how to create a modern looking graphic design resume and tips on how to stand out from the rest. First, I find my inspiration from websites like Pinterest, Behance. I usually use them as a baseline to get ideas for creative layouts. You can find a couple of resume layouts I saved through Pinterest in the link below. But once I have an idea in mind, I'm going to open Adobe Illustrator and set up the layout to the standard resume size. I think Pinterest can be a great resource for finding unique and compelling designs. It can really help give you ideas on how to present your information in a visually engaging way. Once I have a layout in mind, I start putting it together in Adobe Illustrator. Start to pay attention to details like font choices, spacing, and overall visual hierarchy. For example, when it comes to fonts, it's important to choose professional ones that are clear and easy to read. Avoid using fancy or overly decorative fonts that might distract from the content. Now, this is a personal preference, but I like to include a profile picture. I find that it has way more success for me than having a resume without a picture. And it really helps create that connection with the hiring manager. Just make sure to choose a professional looking photo. When it comes to the content, include only relevant information. Remember that hiring managers spend only about 6 seconds per resume, so it's crucial to highlight your key qualifications. I feel like you just want something about it to just draw you in for a little while. You want to make them stop and keep reading your resume. Proofreading and editing are essential. Go through several rounds of proofreading. Make sure there's no spelling or errors. I do think that small mistakes can leave a negative impact on potential employers. Finally, I am going to say consider whether you need a unique resume for different jobs. For example, if you're working for a company that does like packaging, you're probably going to want to showcase a lot of your packaging designs rather than your other qualifications. I personally include my portfolio with my resume in the one PDF. I feel like it gives it a better chance of standing out than someone just submitting their resume without their portfolio. I tend to not put a lot of information. I just want them to see the designs. I want them to understand it from the pictures. I've had huge success with putting the portfolio with my resume. A well-designed resume can make a lasting impression and help you stand out from the competition. Best of luck on your job search. I hope you find this video helpful in creating your graphic design resume. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to follow for more graphic design content and stay tuned.